Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create multiple pricing options for our courses. Okay, so for that we will be going to our course page. So let's go ahead and edit a course for now, or we can create a course from blank. We can just give any name for now for the testing purposes. Fine, so I'll create the course. Here we go, and we don't have any curriculum at the moment, so let's not create anything for now. I will go to the pricing section here. So now you do not have any pricing, so by default it's marked as free. So what I will have to do is I have to go to add a price, and I have these options now: one-time subscription and tiered pricing, subscription at one time as well. So I will add, let's say I have a course that has multiple pricing options. Okay, so I will add, this is a strike through price, so I will add a price, a one-time pricing here. Fine, so this is one pricing option. Now I will add another pricing option, and now I cannot add one time again because one time works one time. Actually it's one time. So I have options to create a subscription plan now. So you can buy a subscription with, let's say this is our strike through. You can pay 10 monthly, interval 1. Here we go. So we have multiple pricing options now. I can create one more, and we can say okay, you can pay, if it is 10, you can pay 6 out of 60, you can pay 50 for yearly. That's fine. So now I have two subscription, one monthly and one yearly. I can customize this however I would like to. So I have three pricing now, and if I click here I can edit, delete and set as default. So by default this one is default. You can choose which pricing should be default for your case. So I will keep this one as default, monthly, so that's fine. Now I have another options here, is that copy payment URL. So if I copy this one, I will be able to see my checkout URL. So these are the checkout, this is the checkout URL, and you see the 10 per month is selected because that is what I'm to be because this is default. And if I switch, I will see the other pricing options here. Okay, that's cool. But let's say how it looks like in our card. So this is the course here, and it is automatically putting the default pricing. And now if I click the title here, I will see my pricing option in my default pages as well. Now if you want to build your custom page, custom course landing page, what you will be doing is that you will be creating in Builder, and you will be able to get your unique URL for each specific pricing option, so it will not be a problem at all. So you can just click on this one or this one, and then click on enroll now, and it will be automatically selected. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice time.